preparing your progressions. Again, knowing what genre are you working with, understanding what level and age group are you targeting, understanding how much time you have to work with. Man, it really makes you have to really think. If this is the big goal, if this is the big lesson that I'm trying to target in the progressions, I only have 15 minutes. I am working with intermediate 12, 13-year-old dancers. How do I get them from here to there? And it's going to take time. No matter what we do, it's always just going to take time. But again, that's the whole beauty of doing progressions, the actual state of repetition, so that we can actually learn to build a skill. The question is always going to be, it's not building the skill, it's the level of the skill that we really want to pay attention. Because you can have a skill and still be average. But why? We want to build a skill so that we can become outstanding. For more insights just like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. We here at Success.Dance love hearing your questions. So I'll see you next time. And remember, greatness is a choice.